In this program, we would like to mainly iterate over all the numbers from up to n, and then here we are iterating on all of the numbers from 1 to n. Observe the n plus 1 to make it inclusive, and then for every number we would like to make a condition over its digit sum. Let's say we computed the digit sum. We need to make sure that the a is within the digit sum is within the a and b. If this happens, we add out this number to us. So now the remaining question is, what is the digit sum? We already saw that a lot. We can use the mod 10 and integer division by 10 to iterate over all of the digits of a number. So we are making here, first of all, I'm making a copy of this temp, and then while the temp is greater than 0, I'm just iterating till it is 0 and using it to compute the digit sum, and then making a condition of digit sum. Question for you. Why it is important here to make a copy of temp? Why I can't just use here like I and remove this temp? The reason is simple. The reason is that we need to add the I here. So I every time is like we need to add the original I. Notice that temp would be 0 by the end of that. So that's why we need to make a copy of it. However, I would like you to remember something or notice something, that regardless of what we do in the I here, I every time is assigned here a value. For example, if you come here and put here value like I equals 0, for example, this will have no effect on the program at all, because every time the range assign the I a new value. So playing with I itself isn't a problem in any way, but we just need it here actually. So we need to make a copy to make sure that we don't corrupt the original I. That's all.